In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix something went wrong. Please try again, Perplexity AI. If you're seeing that message, it usually points to a connection hiccup, an account limit being reached, or a temporary issue on the server side. The good news is, most of the time you can clear it up quickly by walking through a few practical checks. Start with the simplest move: refresh and retry. Reload the page in your browser, or fully close and restart the app if you're on mobile. Then run your prompt again. A brief reset often clears temporary glitches. If it persists, take a moment to check your internet. Unstable or slow connections are a common trigger. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to compare performance. And if you're on Wi-Fi, power cycle your router to restore a clean connection. Stick to the network that feels most stable. Next, sign out of your account and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can fix token or authentication quirks that cause the error to appear. If you're using a browser, clear your cache and cookies to remove stale data that might be confusing the site. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Select cache and cookies, clear them, and restart your browser before trying again. On mobile or desktop apps, make sure the Perplexity AI app is up to date. Visit your app store to install any available updates. If it's already current but still acting up, uninstall and reinstall to reset corrupted files. Consider the content of your prompt. Extremely long or complex prompts can overwhelm requests and return errors. Try a shorter, simpler version first, then build up if it succeeds. If you're using a VPN or have browser extensions running, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, turn them off temporarily. These can interfere with requests. You can also try an incognito or private window to rule out extension conflicts. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Perplexity AI servers can be busy or experiencing a temporary outage. Give it a few minutes, then try again. Keep usage limits in mind as well. Free accounts may hit request caps, or rapid-fire prompts can be rate limited. Slow down your requests and space them out. Finally, try another device or browser. Switch from your phone to your computer, or test a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. If you want a fast routine that solves most cases, refresh, clear your cache, log out and back in, then retry with a shorter prompt. That combo resolves the error for the majority of users.